Hello everyone and welcome to my very first lesson for my Chinese course Learn Chinese from Zero for Complete Absolute Beginners. In this course, we are going to learn words and how to put them together to form simple sentences. We'll begin with simple phrases and gradually work our way to more complex ones. I want to let you know that in this course, we will be focusing on listening and speaking, not reading or writing. However, I will introduce you to the Chinese pinyin and characters, which will help with your speaking. And we will read with pinyin together. Your main goal is to practice and repeat as often as you need to remember and pronounce the words correctly. Before we begin, I have three very important points for you to keep in mind to benefit best from this course and set you on the right path for your Chinese learning journey. First, speaking is like a muscle. Any muscle, you need to exercise it regularly to make it stronger. Second, practice by saying the words out loud until you get the pronunciation right. The more you speak, even though it's just a little bit each day, the more comfortable you will become and the fear will start to melt away. Third, answer my questions as if I am right here with you. Ask me questions, leave me your comments. Are you ready? 你准备好了吗? Let's go. 我们开始了. The word for I in Chinese is 我. 我. Please repeat after me. 我. 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 Great job. Now the word for want is 要. 要. Repeat after me. 要. To say I want, you combine these two words. 我要. 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 Repeat after me. 我要. 我要. Look at my lips, look at my mouth, look at my expression, and also listen carefully. Listen to the tone without knowing exactly if it's first, second, third, or fourth. That doesn't matter. That will come later. So, 我要. 我要. Well done. Remember to practice these words out loud, until you feel comfortable with the pronunciation, and we will revise this later on. Just look at the tone symbols for now with the pinyin and the Chinese characters, but don't worry about them, just familiarize yourself with how they look. Only concentrate on the listening and reproducing the words articulation as closely as possible. I want. I 我要 want. I want. 我要 我要. Okay, next. How about don't want? Correct. Just add a word in front of 要. The word no is 不. So what is don't want? Correct. It is just 不要. 不要. That's it. Excellent. 不要. 不. 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 不要. 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 Don't want. To complete the sentence, you can say I don't want. It's 我不要. 我不要. Come, say it with me slowly. 我不要. 我不要. Now, a little faster. 我不要. 我不要. Okay, let's revise. I in Chinese is 我. 我. Want is 要. I want is just a combination of the two. 我要. No is 不. Don't want, correct? It is 不要,不要. And I don't want is 我不要,我不要. That's correct. 我要,我不要. So you can use the word just by itself, 要, for I want. 要,要. And just the words 不要,不要, I don't want. 不要,不要,不要. 要,要. So remember to practice these words. Say it out loud. That's the most important thing until you feel comfortable in producing these sounds. Only concentrate on listening to the sound and reproducing the sound. So that's the first part of our lesson. Let us expand on it now by adding this one, that one. So when someone asks you, what do you want? Or which one do you want? You can say, I want this. Or I want that. And now you also know I don't want. I don't want this, I don't want that. So the word for this or this one in Chinese is 这个,这个,这个. Repeat after me. 这个,这个. Great, excellent. Don't worry about the characters. Don't worry about the alphabet pinyin. Just listen and say it. 这个,这个. Okay, so to say I want this or I want this one, you just combine it all together. 我要这个,我要这个. Repeat after me. 我要这个,我要这个. So you can say it faster. 我要这个,我要这个. Excellent. And then you can even say it even faster. 我要这个,我要这个. So you can see the stress is in 这. I want this one. 这个. So you can hear that the 这 is stressed and a little bit prolonged. 这个,我要这个. Good. Okay, next. That one is 那个,那个. What is it? 那个,那个. That one. You can use it by itself. That one. 那个. Which one do you want? 那个,这个. Practice the full sentence until your muscles of your mouth is fluent and well exercised. So now we have this one, 这个, and that one, 那个. Both very useful. So let's work on it. I want that one. 我要那个,我要那个. So just combining the two, I want that one. 我要, I want 那个, that one. And then when you are more fluent, you can say 我要那个,我要那个. Okay, so 那 is also prolonged, stretched out. In some accents, you add the at the end, so that's why it's longer. But in the southern China accent, you don't use the word at the end. You just say 我要这个,这个,那个,那个. Or you can say 我要这个,我要这个,我要这个,我要那个,我要那个. So now you know very many phrases. 我要,我不要,这个,那个, 我要这个我要那个 And also you have learned 不 So you can say 我不要这个 I don't want this 我不要这个我要那个 So all in all, you have learned a rather long sentence. No, I don't want this one. I want that one. No, 不 I don't 我不 I don't want 我不要 I don't want this one 我不要这个 I want that one 我要那个 So practice until you can say it quickly 不我不要这个我要那个我不要这个我要那个 And also practice the opposite 不我不要那个我要这个 I don't want that one I want this one Remember to practice them singly, one word, one sound, one character at a time, and then combine them. And combine them slowly, combine them quickly, and when you speak them loudly. Shout it out as well. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you in the next lesson.